Hello kids, it's Mr. Agee here, and I'm here to talk with you about your word study work for Tuesday, November 17th. We are working in Sort 20. It starts on page 77, and today we're going to be focused on sorting out some E sounds. So we've got two different ways to make the short E sound. So we're really getting a little bit on the sophisticated side here. We've got the pattern we've been studying, consonant, vowel, consonant, which makes short E, eh. And we've also got another way to make the short E sound, which is a consonant, vowel, vowel consonant pattern, which could be confusing because this is the first vowel team that we're studying that causes a short vowel sound. So EA sometimes makes the short E sound eh. And to make matters worse, more complicated, more confusing, we are also sorting out two long E ways to make the E sound with a double E or an EA. So some of these EA words will make long E sounds, and some of these EA words will make short E sounds. It's your job to read the words and start the process of memorizing which ones say EA, and which ones say EA, E. So I'm going to read the words for you at the end after I go through this so you can hear them once. You can stop and start as many times as you need to complete the assignment. But we've got a four-part sort here. We've got short E, for consonant, vowel, consonant pattern words. We've got short E, for vowel team EA, as in the word dead. You hear the but you see the vowel team EA. And up to this point, all of the spelling pattern EA words we've seen are E. So there's a little twist here, and we're kind of folding in new information about the English language, which can be very complicated to learn. But this EA in the example of dead, there's nothing that would tell you that it should be E or eh. It's just something that you have to remember. And we've got double E, which, as far as I know, always makes the E sound when you see two E's next to each other. And then we've got the EA spelling pattern, which does in fact make the long E sound, as in each. And I haven't looked through the list to find the oddballs just yet, but as we read, we're looking for words that don't follow these patterns spelling-wise, or if there's a sound that's not eh or E, it would go into the oddball pattern. Okay, so we've got 5 columns to sort, and then at the end, we've got a word list to write and sort for short E consonant vowel consonant pattern, short E vowel team EA pattern, long E double E, and long E vowel team EA. Okay, so you've got your work cut out for you today. I'll read these words here. Going straight down the columns, we've got EA in the first word, reach. Double E, queen. EA, bread. Okay, so right off the bat, just listen to the EA here in reach, reach, and listen to the EA in bread, bread. Okay, same spelling pattern, different sound. Okay, we've got dream, beach, web, next, street, great. Okay, listen to that word. So we're honing in on short E, long E, and E. Listen to this word. It's got an EA spelling pattern. So based on this, we could be expecting or E. But listen to how we say it. Eight. Has a long A sound. This word here, great, would be an example of the oddball. Okay, here we've got sweet, double E. Okay, another EA pattern. Thread, desk, breath, sled, EA, head, EA, steam, EA, bead, best, greed, sleep. Here's another EA. threat, threat. All right, so if you just listen to the sounds that I said, and as you read them, if you can hone in on those those EA words can be pretty tricky. But once you start memorizing which words have which sound, you will be furthering your ability to both read EA words and spell EA words when you come across them. All right, good luck and do your best in this word study assignment for short E and long E sounds. I will be seeing you tomorrow.